You guys, so I am done for the day. What I did was I removed all the winter decor, so I put all the vases up here. Just gonna leave the shelf empty and bare because I'm gonna have to wipe that and dust it. I put everything here for now until I start to decorate and figure out where everything is going to go. And I'm thinking about giving these 2 green pillows to Goodwill, but they're 20 by 20 and I can do the chop in the center of them. So I'm gonna keep them, but just put pillowcases over them. And then over here in the dining area, I have my decor bowls, which I cleaned out, emptied out, and wiped out. And then in this area is where I stacked all my vases for now. So I'm gonna record in the next video. We're gonna do the living room, and then the entryway and the dining room is gonna be one video. I just need like seconds. So we are now, and I found these really nice Adidas pants, you guys, and they actually fit. I just have to lose a couple more pounds and I have a pair of pants underneath, so it's a bit snug. But y'all, these pants are dope. Look at the back. I love it. It fits so nice with the belt and the loose sleeve. But look at the color.
Underwear again? Underwear again?
Look at the side.
I like the wedding.
Okay, you guys, so it is now 7:53. I just came back. I decided to run out to get some groceries from Aldi's because even though I went grocery shopping the other day, it just seems like we didn't have anything in the fridge. So I picked up some stuff. A lot of it I would think is healthy, probably 1 or 2 things that aren't. But I also, those pants that I showed you in Ross, those Adidas pants, y'all, I had to get them. When I say I'm gonna wear them with everything, they're originally $120, size 34, and I got them for $22.99 at Ross. I could resell this, but I'm gonna keep it. I love that olive green color, that distressed wash color. I'm gonna wear this with everything. I could dress this up with my leather blazer. Like, yeah, we're gonna do it real nice with that. Also, they sell their loose socks like when they come out of the pack, so I just picked one up for work, Levi. This was 99 cents. And let me show y'all real quick what we got. I'm about to cook some dinner. These are really good. So I just got some On the Border cafe style tortilla chips, some everything bagels. We already have raisin bagels. I got some blueberries, so I'm about to clean that with some vinegar and baking soda. I got some mild fresh salsa. Got some kiwis. What else? These black bean tortilla chips, you guys, they are so good. So this one is for me, the black bean, and that one's for my sons. I got some strawberries. I don't like strawberries, but to eat it with like my breakfast and my oatmeal, I was like, why not? Got 2 mangoes. Bear loves mangoes and apples. I had got one thing unhealthy, which was some chocolate donuts. Can't wait to bite into one of those. And these are supposed to be very, very, very healthy and a good source of fiber. So the Edelmans, I picked up those. I'm gonna season mine real well. I got some more Macintosh apples. I absolutely love these. And for my meats, everything came up to $47. So I usually get salmon, but I was like, let me just get some tilapia this time. So we got tilapia and then this beef shaved steak. So when I make some stir fry, I'm excited for this. I never had this before. So So yeah, I'm just gonna make some tilapia zucchini with some broccoli and some of the edamame for dinner. And thank you guys for watching this vlog. Subscribe. I'm just so excited, you guys. I forgot to tell you guys that whilst I was vlogging, my Sony ZV-E10 camera fell on the floor and it broke, like the lens broke. So I have to buy another lens. Still have to get another laptop because my devices are full of storage. And then I have to buy my son a new iPhone because he charged his iPhone, left it on the charger overnight, and it kind of puffed up and cracked open. So he needs a new phone, and that's what's going on. We got the car fixed. It's like every time we fix something, everything seems like it's going smooth. You get a little bit of money, something happens, and you gotta spend that same money. So thank God, you know, for a little emergency fund. Thank God for the help that I get. Thank God the car is working. And yeah, you guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and do these vegetables, and that's it.
What is that, Mom? She didn't tell me. She said that. What's it called? The aspect. Oh, it's from McDonald's?
No, you don't help you. I can have one snack.
I need a bulk up.
To feed the dog? This is such a random task then, me cooking for you, your adult brother. Guys, so we finished soaking the strawberries and the blueberries, so I'm just letting them dry out on paper towel before I store them in the glass containers. We cleaned and seasoned our tilapia, so we're gonna go ahead and chop up our zucchini and our garlic and cook that. I'm gonna be using onion powder, garlic powder, Himalayan salt, Creole seasoning, and original seasoning with some avocado oil. We have our pan heating up, both of those. And right now we have the broccoli steaming. So, yeah, you guys.
What's teaching here is satanic. There was no Bible verse in Capcut.